Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issue on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix the touchscreen sensitivity issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on display. Now in display scroll down and here you will see a touch sensitivity button. So to fix your touch screen sensitivity issue, turn on this button, and after turning on this button your problem will be fixed. But also turn on this accidental touch protection to protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in dark place such as pocket or bag. So that's how you can fix the touchscreen sensitivity issues on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.